Hey guys, so today I tried the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 420 and the Hodia mini palette. It's like Vivid Bright or something. So sorry about the encoding of this video, but for some reason my editor decided to just, kick the bucket today. But this is the look I did. Sorry it jumps around so much, but I don't have any of the original videos to fix it. But hopefully you get an idea of what I did. It was like a yellow to a green to a blue kind of smoky eye, kind of like a peacock on fire. Those are like my illuminators from Coco Mazel, and that's 420 from Fenty Beauty Foundation. It's so good. Like it looks so good on the skin. I got 420 as a joke, and it ended up being my perfect match. So there you go. Welcome to California. So I'm obviously deepening the crease on that one. I'm sorry. I really wish this encoded correctly. I am so mad. And that's what my first reaction to the foundation itself. I lost my mind. It just looks like my skin, but better. I don't even know what to say. I'm still shook. It's beyond. It's so natural. And that's me applying it, and that's how it looked at first. And you see how it bends to the skin though. It just makes it look so natural, like just like an airbrushed version of my own skin. It's so beautiful and warm and even. That's me blending in the MAC highlight pen. I don't know what color. It's like apricot. Then this must be the beginning of the eyeshadow, and then that's my favorite brush. Yeah, I don't know. It's Bright Forecast. Bright Forecast. Okay, so now I'm cutting the crease a little with a navy matte blue from that Hodia palette. And I had to smooth it out with a clean brush because I had the line a little sharp. Some black line on the inside. That is Autonomy and their copper blush. I just kind of put it all over the high points of my face wherever I want to look like I had a little sun, which I got yesterday because of brunch. Now that is an NYX matte lipstick, and boom, there you have it. It's I call this peacock on fire because I look like a flippin' peacock. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to know what I used, I'll eventually update the description, or you can send me a message. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and may this bring you a lot of joy because I don't know what I was doing in the end of this video. Bye for the fourth time. Bye-bye.